Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I am so excited to be sharing a gel nail tutorial. So if you'd like to see how I transformed my nails into these fluorescent green lime nails, then keep watching. So we're going to go from these really super cute cherry nails to the lime ones. And if you enjoy the video, be sure to hit the like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. And so fun, I was doing Summer of Fruit. So these nails are my second fruit. I started with blueberries, I went to these cherries, and then of course the limes that you're gonna see today. And actually, as of right now, as I'm doing this voiceover, my nails are orange and they're oranges. So I had a blast with them. I actually got to start my Halloween nails very soon, but let's jump into this tutorial. So I started with the foundation, nice little thin coat of that. Once that is cured, we're going to jump into the color. I love this green. This is from a really cute set of 6 colors, and they're actually called Florescent Fall. So it has like a pink, an orange, which I have on now. It has a nice like almost greenish yellow. It's got like a green undertone to it, an actual green, blue, and a purple color. Absolutely love it. I can't wait to play with more of the colors. So here we go. I got about 2 coats of the lime green. Then we're going to hop into the decals. Now this is a really easy, quick nail look. So just give it a try and you can change up the colors, change up the decals, and really make it your own. Oh, and another really helpful thing that I do before sticking the decals on, I did show it in the video, but I didn't mention anything or say anything. I do wipe off the, like, it's not really sticky. It's kind of like slippery. Like I wipe off the nails before I add the decals and they stick so much better. I also did cure it after the decals. I don't know if you need to, but I do it and it seems to work out all right. And then after doing 2 top coats, because I'm a little extra, I will cure in between. Once they're all cured, I get rid of that little tackiness, and the first 4 nails are complete. And then like magic, we're gonna go off camera. I'm gonna, hey, finish that thumbnail, and then we have one hand complete with our Florescent Fall lime nails. Once again, off camera, I'm going to complete my thumb. So this is going to be the looks. We got solid on one hand and then the reverse French on the other. I've been obsessed with this like nail look. So even I want to say 2 nail sets before I started the blueberry fruit for the summer, I've been doing this. So like one hand is the reverse French and the other hand is solid, and I love it. All right, for the reverse French, I'm going to start with this beautiful nude shade from Redcarpet. I think I added about 2 coats, and then in between the coats, give them a good cure. Now I'm going to add the fluorescent green color. So I'm adding that right here, and this is the brush I use for the detail. Now it's a little tricky for me to do it on camera, so I'm going to try to do some parts showing you, and then I got to get it up to my face, and I have to kind of like put it in a placement that it's a little easier for me to do it. So I'm going to try to show you how I kind of started it, and then I'm going to make it a little more bold off camera, but this is what I did. Just a nice little thin reverse French line. And once again, like I said, I have been obsessed with this. I absolutely love it. I think I did about 3 coats to make sure it was really nice and bright. So I want that color to really stand out. And then after curing, we are ready for some decals. Oh, and a quick reminder, don't forget to wipe off like the shiny little coat there so the decals can really stick. I just use like a rubbing alcohol and a like lint-free little pad. So I'll use that, wipe it off, and then here we go. We're just having fun with that placement of the decals. I didn't realize that I had it off record for my middle finger there, but I got that one all jazzed up. And let's continue to keep adding these limes and just have fun, be creative, don't overthink it. And once again, I did 2 of the Top It Off, the top coats from Gelish. And then lastly, I'm going to take one of those lint-free pads. These are from Beetles, and some of the rubbing alcohol, get rid of that tackiness. And we have a completed Florescent Fall Lime Green Gel Nail Set. And that is it. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out with me today and checking out my Florescent Fall Lime Green Gel Nail Set and all of my DIY nail techs, my makeup lovers, and my curl friends. I hope you'll come back next week and join me for another video. Take care and stay spooky.